this work continues. The story goes on, and an angel still rides in the whirlwind and directs this storm. God bless you all, and God bless America.
When a founding father of America says an angel rides in the storm over America's founding, it is not a coincidence.
All right, so today I want to talk about whether or not Jesus is an angel.
He's getting ready to lead the Israelites into the promised land, exactly the land that God promised them. And this commander, this angel actually is Jesus.
This angel actually is Jesus.
Is standing there with his sword drawn in his hand, and Joshua comes up to him and says, "Are you for us or them?"
Actually, Joshua has the same name as Jesus in the text, and the scholars have just botched it. This person wants to claim, like the Christian religion usually does, that Jesus is an angel, but an angel has a different nature than God and a different nature than man.
The problem is that the writer of Hebrews is explicit. Jesus Christ came in the likeness of the offspring of Abraham, not in the image of an angel. He's explicit. If man is created in the image of both God and angels, then for Christ to come as a man would have required that he come as an angel image bearer. And yet Scripture is very distinct that that is not the case.
Now, what's interesting here is that Tim is a Trinitarian, but he doesn't agree with this idea that Jesus can be an angel, which just goes to show you that the Trinitarians don't agree on their own doctrine.
And when a Christian has a mystical experience, he's going to interpret that as the light of the Christian God, the one in the Bible. It's going to be Jesus. It's going to be an angel or something like this.
Now, if you want to say that Jesus is an angel in the sense of being a messenger of God the Father, this would fundamentally be accurate. But if you say Jesus is an angel, and you are also a typical tradition-following Trinitarian, then while you think you believe Jesus has two natures, the hypostatic union of duality, you are actually adding air to air, whereas your faith says Jesus has three natures: man, angel, and God, which is a lie from the pit of Satan's belly.